Yo YouTube, just a really quick tutorial, and I'm super excited to be making this one, guys, because I have managed to find how to get lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals for free. And this is a Blue Lock Rivals code that you can literally enter to get 1,000 lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals for completely free. This is the easiest method to get lucky spins, guys, and I spent a long time searching and trying tons of different methods. So if you want to know how to get lucky spins for free, this is the video for you. And this uses Blue Lock Rivals codes. You can all do this, so let's get into it and follow along. Make sure you watch this video through to the end. And yeah, so you need to use your mobile phone and just use your internet browser and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you copy it down correctly. Cold Coupons, awesome website, guys. They have pages for pretty much every game. What you need to do is go to the search bar and search for Blue Lock Rivals, and you're looking for this page, guys. There's currently 2 different codes available, so if you, and you can see they're being used as well. Loads of people are actually doing this to get lucky spins for free. So yeah, pretty popular. They have a cash one, but this is the one we're focusing on, guys. This is a Blue Lock Rivals free spins code. So this is going to get 1,000 free lucky spins. Super easy. Click on get code. And you can see this is your Blue Lock Rivals code here. You need to click on show full code. And this is going to search for one of these valid codes. There are tons of codes, guys, but you can only get 1 code per person. So yeah, you're going to need to quickly unlock your code. So it says here your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. You can see, guys, your Blue Lock Rivals code is currently locked. And this basically prevents people from taking all of the codes and getting unlimited lucky spins. You can only get 1 code for 1,000 lucky spins. So what you're going to need to do is click on get full code. And this is going to tell you how to unlock your Blue Lock Rivals codes. So you need to complete 2 free tasks to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Long story short, guys, you just need to complete 2 of these free tasks that you see on your screen. You may see slightly different ones to me because it does sort of change depending on your country. If you're in the US, you have more options. But yeah, you just need to make sure you read the description. Fully complete 2 tasks on this page. It will take you about 5 minutes. But if you do everything correctly, guys, your code will be unlocked and your Blue Lock Rivals lucky spins will be added to your account once you redeem the code. So really easy, guys. Probably the easiest method to get lucky spins in Blue Lock Rivals. And like I said, you can get 1,000 of them. So really easy method. Go to Cold Coupons and let me know, guys, if you know of any other Blue Lock Rivals codes, because I plan on making updated videos. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when I upload the updated ones. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Enjoy. Peace out.